quiz on ocean and sea. And the first question, which one is the largest ocean in the world? And the answer is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of Earth's oceanic divisions. It extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south and is bounded by the continent of Asia and Australia. And the second question, which one is the smallest ocean in the world? And the answer is Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of the world's five major oceans. It spans an area of approximately 14,060,000 kilometers square and also known as the coldest of all the oceans. And the next question, Dead Sea is located between which two countries? And the answer is Jordan and Israel. Why it is called as Dead Sea? Because there is no life or fish, so the water is so dense and with much salt it makes everyone float to the heaviest. In the next question, which ocean was the Titanic sunk? And the answer is Atlantic Sea, North Atlantic Ocean. The bow of the Titanic plunks into the North Atlantic Ocean on April 15, 1912. The RMS Titanic sunk in the North Atlantic Ocean, the largest and most luxurious ship in the world. The Titanic was also one of the most technologically advanced. And the next question, how many shipwrecks are estimated to be in the ocean? Okay, 3 million. Other shipwrecks may be small, such as small fishing boats. Over the course of history, the oceans of the world have claimed the lives of many ships. How many? The United Nations estimated that there are over 3 million shipwrecks at the bottom of the world's oceans. How much of our oceans cover the Earth's surface? And the answer is 70% of surface. About 70% of the Earth's surface is water covered and the oceans hold about 96.5% of all Earth's water. Where is the world's longest mountain chain? And the answer is Mid-Ocean Ridge. The Mid-Ocean Ridge is the longest mountain range on Earth, spanning 40,389 miles around the globe. It's truly a global landmark. About 90% of the Mid-Ocean Ridge system is under the sea. How many historic artifacts are submerged under the water? It's about 20,000. Over the years, archaeologists have discovered some wonderful treasures in ocean around the world. These artifacts are so important to learn our history. Which ocean has been found to be the saltiest ocean in the world? And the answer is Atlantic Sea or ocean. Of the five ocean basins, the Atlantic Ocean is the saltiest. On average, there is a distinct decrease of salinity near the equator and at both poles, although for different reasons. And the next question, how much oxygen does all the ocean produce? And the answer is 70 to 80% of oxygen is produced by ocean. Do you know at least half of Earth's oxygen comes from the ocean? The surface layer of ocean is teeming with photosynthetic plankton. Though they are invisible to the naked eye, they produce more oxygen than the largest redwoods. Scientists estimated that 70 to 80% of oxygen production on Earth comes from the ocean.